finally got back from work. Now, I think it is, if I can read my clock correctly, it's about 12. Got 7 more hours until we leave home. And I got me this. It's got pocket in the back. I'm gonna put all my cameras inside here and then my wallet. I don't know what else I did put.
I don't want to make stuff to before we go.
What is that? Oh.
Rice. Maybe don't eat.
Not bad. It's like the 4th time.
That's all you want. Put this in.
Show the camera.
Musubis. Our snap going to Maine, going to California, Disneyland. Aloha.
We got 2 more hours to go and I'm downloading movies. This one. This one. This one. Not that one. Well, I looked at the GoPro footage and my hair was a mess. So I ended up doing my hair and I shaved whatever I had on my face. If I'm being honest, I have no idea what to film. I really don't. It's a lot. There's a lot that's going on. I mean, the fact that we're going to Disney for like 5 nights. We also have the fact that there's just so much to do. We're pretty much just going to be at Disneyland and California Adventure, I think that's the name. I don't know. T-minus 30. Excited? A little less than half an hour before we go. You excited?
Yeah. One week. It's gonna come back. We're going. Look.
Have fun, Mobata.
I got Musubis.
Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself.
Just a little back. Red-eye flights are not moved. That flight wasn't brutal, it's just the timing of it was. After a 5-something-hour flight from Maui to Seattle, you can kind of see there's bags underneath my eyes. It's rough. Red eyes are not the move, man. We're gonna go to LAX now.
Thank you.
Guys.
Thank you.
Have a fun vacation.
After several hours of traveling, finally get to relax in the hotel room.
Nice.
Tastes terrible. Running on fumes. I'm tired. But we're doing more stuff. I think we're going right into the Star Wars.
Anyone working under the equivalent like T1300 flavor, please clear out.
About to do the Millennium Falcon walk with my two brothers. Are you tired? Are you tired too?
Kind of.
I'm super tired. I'm gonna have Gucci bags under my eyes.
We get something spicy for dinner. It's still hot.
Finished dinner at the River Belle, I think. I forget the name. All I know is that my food was alright. Probably about like a 6 out of 10. It's very eerie, but okay. I'm gonna catch the monorail back to our hotel room and then order room service. Pig out on some desserts. And then this might be a little too early to call, but I'm a little scared that these vlogs are gonna flop. It's finally 10 p.m. and I'm a little exhausted. Actually, a little bit more than exhausted, but it's okay. Today was a really fun day. Only thing that I would have loved, one less flight. That's it. Well, we got room service on the way. Should be coming any minute now. And dude, I don't have the menu with me, but there's this orange cream vanilla creme brulee. I'm stoked to try that. That's nice. Ooh, that's the creme brulee. What is that?
That's my brownie.
That's my chocolate hot fudge. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Ooh, that's nice. Ooh.
Want anything on it?
Bruh, there's no. I guess.